This is my 2010 Eastern Nightprowler with lime green Aaron Ross Odyssey keyboard grips. Obviously, you can see that I have to get some new grips because they are ripped. And then I have a KMC lime green chain, and I'm getting some new parts for my birthday. And what really sucks is that I cannot ride it for a while, so no like J-hops or anything because of what I did to my foot running cross country. I pulled my bone out, ripped the tendon out of it, and broke the bone. So pretty much this is just my bike check. Oh yeah, I have a Odyssey plate back tire. And that's the conclusion of my bike check.